A 1050 cubic centimeters dirt bike? Yeah, you heard that right. Suzuki just changed the game with the all-new 2026 RM-Z 1050, a bike that's rewriting the rules of what a big-bore machine can do. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you the latest and boldest rides, and trust us, this one's turning heads for all the right reasons. Design. The RM-Z 1050 is everything you'd expect from a next-gen Suzuki: sleek, muscular, and unmistakably aggressive. The bodywork is sharper and more aerodynamic, with a low-profile seat and streamlined shrouds that hug the chassis. Suzuki's iconic yellow and blue color scheme returns with a modern, metallic twist, and the LED lighting gives it a seriously premium feel, even if you're mostly seeing it caked in dirt. Performance. Let's talk about that 1050 cubic centimeters engine. Yes, it's a four-stroke, and no, it's not overkill. Suzuki has engineered this beast for controlled chaos. The power delivery is surprisingly smooth, thanks to a new dual-stage throttle system that adapts to your riding style. Torque is instant, yet manageable, and with the upgraded cooling system, this motor stays strong even in the most brutal conditions. Features and technology. This bike isn't just muscle, it's smart, too. You get a fully digital ride mode selector, traction control, and adaptive suspension with real-time terrain feedback. The RM-Z 1050 also syncs with the Suzuki Ride Connect app, letting you tweak power maps, track lap times, and monitor bike health straight from your phone. It's high-tech, without being overcomplicated. Conclusion. So, does the RM-Z 1050 live up to the hype? Absolutely. It's bold, powerful, and built for riders who want something bigger without losing that race-ready edge. What do you think, too much bike, or just the right amount of madness? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with your crew, and make sure to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more cutting-edge motorcycle content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.